What is going on, everyone? DV checking in with you guys for another edition. Now, what I have behind me here is a car that I've had for the past couple of days, which is the 2015 Dodge Challenger RT, 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine. And what we're going to do today is what we've been doing for the past couple of weeks. We're going to get another sound clip of a badass car to see how it sounds when we're doing the startup, when we're doing the revving, and when we're doing the wide open throttle. So without further ado, let's go and check out just how this car sounds when we start her up. So you heard the startup, you just heard the revving. Now it's time to get to the portion of the video that everybody likes to hear, and that's of course when we're getting on the throttle. Because we're about to see how this V8 engine sounds when we're actually winding up that throttle. And thank goodness this car is in a manual transmission, not like that automatic that I had in that SS Camaro. And we're testing it at the same place I tested the Camaro at, which is a good, nice, straight and flat quarter-mile run, which would be well more than enough to wind open this car and hopefully reach triple digits. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You just heard some sounds of the 2015 Dodge Challenger RT. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys thought about the sounds of this car, always in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and check out all the videos that I've done so far. Stay tuned for the next upload.